Why should you choose NexZSCAN? Because it can help make car repair become easier. With NexZSCAN and your smartphone in hand, do not need to worry about the check engine light on anymore. You can scan and understand your car. It is a high cost-effective, portable and professional OBD scanner which is created with powerful database and detailed diagnosis reports, offering you not only the code definition, but a list of possible causes greatly increases the repair efficiency. NexZSCAN is easy to operate. Just plug the sensor to the OBD port and pair it with your phone through Bluetooth. That's it. Give the car an inspection whenever and wherever you want to know its condition. NexZSCAN powerfully supports multi-ECU code reading, providing you with professional scan results. The advanced OBD2 includes complete diagnosis modes. To clearly see the values, you can customize the data list and display it through digital dashboard and graph. Meanwhile, choose to merge multi-items in one graph and see how they can affect each other. For more user-friendly experience, NexZSCAN offers you the platform to search for the unknown DTC, review the former stored data. NexZSCAN, a good helper to turn off the check engine light. Choose HUMZOR to start a new lifestyle with NexZSCAN. Get NexZSCAN today to experience the pro power of scan and understand your car.